Hello friends, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. Now, in this tutorial, what we are going to do is we are going to create a JSON object from the map. Okay, basically, map and JSON objects are very much interconnected. Why? Because is JSON is nothing but a unordered key and value pair where there is no guaranteed order, but the keys needs to be unique. In a similarly, map is also a key value pair where if you use a hash map, it will be like no order is maintained. If you use linked hash map, then the order is maintained. Right. So let's create a map first. So let's say like string comma string, and let's say like um, map is equal to new hash map. Let's import this map. Let's add few columns here, like put, let's say name Karthik map dot put, let's say age 31, and map dot put, let's say no hobby watching cricket. Now let's create a JSON object. Map JSON is equal to new JSON object of this map. Okay. Now let's see how the JSON object got created out of this. Okay. This is a very small video, guys. First level of keys can able to create here with the help of this map. Okay, hope it's useful and informative.